What's going on, guys? Today is a very special Friday the 13th video upload. 2 videos in a week. I know we haven't done that in quite a while, but this one's a pretty special one because we are going to be announcing our first custom sneaker contest. So this is another idea that we've been sitting on for quite a while on exactly how to work this out and the logistics of everything. But what we want to do is have a theme battle where everybody goes ahead, throws their hat in the ring at creating a horror theme. Obviously, with Halloween coming up next month, we think it'd be pretty cool for everybody to go ahead and give a horror theme a try. So the contest is open for anybody and everybody to enter. All you need to do is create a horror theme on any type of base shoe. It could be any type of horror theme, whether it's based around your favorite movie villain or a classic theme, anything Halloween based. The gorier the better in our opinion, of course. But anybody can enter, and what we're gonna do is cut off all submissions by October 11th. Now that is 4 weeks from now to create a pair, and all you need to do to enter is post them to Instagram and use hashtag DCF Horror Contest. Then over that weekend, Jason and I are gonna sift through all of the submissions. We're gonna create a video, Customs of the Week style, how we did last year, where we go ahead, post about all the pairs, and Jason and I are gonna narrow it down to our top 4. From there, those top 4 will then send in the shoes to have them featured on a Reviewing Your Customs episode, how we've recently transitioned to. So that will be episode 3, where we have obviously a horror theme around it. And what we're gonna do from there is open up a vote to the public. So you guys are gonna decide on the winner from those final 4 that are featured on that Reviewing Your Customs episode. And of course, we want to give away a really cool prize for the winner. So what we're going to be doing is giving away a $250 Angelus Direct gift card directly to the winner to go ahead and pick up anything from their site. So we are incredibly excited about this contest, guys. This is something that we really want to do again and again, having these kind of classic theme battles and opening it up to this first one being the horror genre. Couldn't be more excited. I'm a huge horror fan. There's so many cool creative things you could do with the genre. This is a classic Jordan 1 Freddy Krueger theme that we did a few years back, obviously inspired by the unreleased SBs. And there is just endless possibilities of things that you can create with this theme. So a $250 grand prize, a feature on a Reviewing Your Customs episodes. We think we're gonna have a great turnout, so everybody get out there and just create. But wait, we have one more thing we want to announce. So recently we decided that it was time to open up a Patreon, and we had quite a few reasons behind it. Mainly because there is some pretty exclusive content that we've wanted to create and that has also been requested that we know doesn't necessarily fit here on YouTube. It's pretty detail oriented, it's a little bit longer format, and we know it's something that is really easy to get lost here on YouTube. But it's something that the people want, and we want to create the content that you guys want to see. So there's some stuff that, like we said, is a little bit longer and we have to go into more detail. Photoshop stuff, mock-up stuff, specific stuff about certain colors, working with certain different things. There's just a very specific type of content that would work for people who really want to learn about it, but it's not necessarily for the general masses, which is what YouTube is really good for. So we can't thank you guys enough for supporting us, allowing us to be on here, having over 100 videos where we have tons of different tutorials, tips and tricks, and a lot of content. So we're opening this up for anybody who wants to support us. So we really want to say thank you for that. We have a lot of different tiers. You could sign up for a monthly Stencil subscription. You could sign up for a monthly consultation where we have a one-on-one video chat about everything that could be going on, Q&A, tips and tricks. Maybe you want to just get some general tips on growing your business. We have quite a few different tiers and options that you could select from. So we're opening this up to all of you guys, and we can't thank you enough for your continued support. So quick recap, please consider entering our first custom sneaker contest. We're super excited about it. You have a chance at winning $250. You get to go ahead, be featured here on the YouTube. A lot of good things could come from it. So we hope to see you guys there. We hope for a really great turnout with that. We really want to thank you for even considering checking out our Patreon. We hope to see you there joining our community, and we will see you guys in that next video.